Hello everyone, it happened again. I almost just ripped into this one because I'm so excited. Let's see what's inside day 21 of my advent calendar. If you're just joining me, we have 24 days to open and we have all sorts of goodies inside every day. And we're opening day 21 today. Alright, ooh, a die. They really were very generous with the dies. So day 21, let's see what's inside. I don't have the product number for this one again, but that is life. What is this? Am I just being thick? Oh, maybe it's for a flower? Maybe? I think it's for a flower. So what my brain is telling me is maybe this is the center, maybe some layers for the center there, and then you would make all these petals going around, and then these would be different size petals to make the flower look realistic. I think that's what this is. I can't imagine this being anything else. I don't think it's anything else. Anyway, this must be a flower. So, very cool. I think if I were to make this flower, if these are truly petals, I would try to make it look a little more 3D with rounding the petals off, but we'll see. This is definitely one that is perplexing me because now I want to know for sure, is this a flower or not? I guess we'll see. We will see. Anyway, that is day number 21. Only have a couple days left, so subscribe to my channel so you can be notified for the rest of the days. Come on back tomorrow for day number 21 and we'll open this up. Thanks for watching. Bye.